Thutha wa maumirira ma kigeranio gya KCPE kurekererio tariki 19 mweri muhituku, umuthi ministry ya githomo igitongorio ni minista Amina Mohammed niaruguririe mutaratara wa kuoya arutwo thukuru-ini cia secondary na njira ya kuhuthira mitambo ya kiiriu. Mutaratara uria ukuhotithia arutwo kumenya thukuru iria moetwo kuhitukira nenda-ini. Akiaria ihinda-ini riu minista wa githomo ni augire arutwo 12,220 aria manyitire max makiria ma 400 othe mari na kanya kaiganaine thukuru-ini cia national na kuri arutwo 5 aria mekite wega muno hario sub county ona umario na kanya thukuru-ini icio.
St. Joseph's Kitale.
Kuumana na kurugurio kwa mutaratara uyu, arutwo mekwamukira thukuru iria metitwo kugerera nenda-ini.
Candidates are advised to visit the ministry's website www.education.go.ke to download the admission letters. Form 1 placements for national, extra county and county schools can also be accessed by texting the candidate's index number to the following number 20042.
Mutaratara wa kuoya arutwo thukuru cia sub county ugatafanio tariki 3 nginya 7 mweri uyu.
Information
Uria thukuru ikuoya arutwo thukuru cia national igukorwo ikioya arutwo 31,337 thukuru cia extra county 128,838 thukuru cia county 148,215 thukuru cia sub county 722,318 thukuru cia ciana iria irĩ na mawathe 1,626. Namba ya arutwo othe ni 1,32,334. Amina no augite ministry ya githomo kwambiriria mweri wa mbere mwaka ukite ni hariririe gutigirira indo iria thukuru irabatara ni cia twaro.
Beginning January 2019, ladies and gentlemen, the ministry has readjusted the free day secondary education vote heads to address infrastructure improvement needs. This will provide secondary schools with access to Kenya shillings 16 billion towards infrastructure improvement.
Amina akiruta mukana kuri arutani anene aria mari na itanya ria kuongerera marihi ma thukuru.
All schools must also provide accurate and up-to-date enrollment data and register all bank accounts operated by schools with the ministry. I want to sound a clear warning to head teachers to desist from introducing any legal fees and levies. If allowed to take root, illegal levies will frustrate the attainment of the 100% transition and deny learners the right to education.
Nake murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani Nancy Macharia akiuga ni maragerio uria mangihota kwandika arutani makiria.
The rise in enrollment coupled with exits through natural attrition, although we replace those almost immediately, has left us with a huge need of additional teachers to plug the shortage. Currently, we have a total shortage of 87,737.
Mutaratara wa kumenya ukuria murutwo agakorwo akiingira secondary ni uruguritio na riu arutwo ni maheto kuma tariki 7 nginya mweri 11 mweri wa Januari mwaka turorete gukorwo makiingira o thukuru iria mundu etitwo. Ngiribotera KCPE TV mutambo wa mohoro ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirore.